Hello, my name is Tanya, and today we're going to make apple crisp in a mug. What we're going to need for the topping of the apple crisp is going to be butter, flour, oatmeal, and brown sugar and some cinnamon. We're going to put all the ingredients into the bowl with butter. And I'm Santiago. And this is Sebastian. So, what is that? Going to dump the cinnamon in. And we're going to mix it.
¿Quieres comerlo?
No. Hago no. ¿Tú quieres mezclarse?
Sí.
Así sí.
Muchas así.
Okay. For the next part, we're going to need sliced apples, some cinnamon, brown sugar, melted butter, and some flour. We're going to put all the things into the apples. Piensa, bueno, esto aquí, okay? Así. Bien. Vamos a poner. Going to put the cinnamon. And we're going to mix it.
Mira eso. ¿Quieres comer eso?
We're going to layer the apples on the topping into the mugs. I'm going to put the apple first.
Una haya.
Sí.
Uno.
No.
Uno.
Now we're going to put the topping. Now we're going to put another layer of topping. Of apples.
Yeah.
It's time to try them. It's really good. Bye.
Bye.